So, good day everyone. Today I will be discussing the services that coral reefs ecosystem provide and why they are so important to both humans and marine lives. So, ecosystem services, it refers to the benefits that human gain from natural ecosystems. So, as we all know, coral reefs are among the most valuable ecosystems in the world, offering resources and protections that support life both in oceans and on the land.
Good day everyone, we are Group 2 and today we'll be presenting the different ecosystem services provided by coral reefs. Coral reefs are among the most valuable ecosystems on Earth, and the services they provide are essential for both marine life and humans. First, we have provisioning services. These are direct products people get from reefs. Examples include fish like groupers, snappers, and parrotfish, which serve as a major source of protein for millions of people. Coral reefs also provide invertebrates such as lobsters, clams, and sea cucumbers, as well as seaweeds that are used for food industry. Even ornamental fish and corals are collected for the aquarium trade. On top of that, scientists are discovering compounds from reef organisms that can be used as medicine, including potential treatments for cancer and infections. Second, coral reefs provide regulating services. These are the natural processes that help protect and stabilize our environment. One key role is coastal protection. Coral reefs act as natural barriers that reduce the impact of waves, storms, and even tsunamis, protecting shorelines and communities from erosion and flooding. Reefs also help regulate water quality by filtering nutrients and trapping sediments. In this way, they support the health of surrounding marine ecosystems such as seagrass beds and mangroves.
Third, coral reefs provide cultural services. These are the non-material benefits that people gain. Reefs are major tourist attractions, offering activities like snorkeling, scuba diving that brings in millions of dollars for local and national economies. They also hold cultural and spiritual value for many coastal communities that have traditions connected to the sea. And of course, coral reefs provide inspiration and beauty, which are important for education, recreation, and even art. Finally, coral reefs provide supporting services. These are the foundation processes that make life possible in the first place. Reefs serves as nurseries and habitats for about 25% of all marine species, even though they cover less than 1% of the ocean floor. They support biodiversity by giving shelter, breeding grounds, and feeding areas for countless marine organisms. Without reefs, many marine food chains would collapse, affecting both ocean life and human livelihood. In summary, coral reefs provide four main categories of ecosystem services: provisioning, regulating, cultural, and supporting. Each of these plays a unique and critical role in sustaining marine life and supporting human communities. By protecting coral reefs, we are not only conserving biodiversity but also securing food, income, protection, and cultural value for present and future generations.
Good day everyone, I am Kevin Imicaro, and then this day I will explain to you what this photo means. Here we can see a diagram of coral reef ecosystem and the service it provides. Each part of the picture represents of the important benefits that coral reefs give both to nature and people. On the left side, we see a village or coastal community. This shows that people living near the ocean depend on the coral reefs for good income and protection. In the lagoon, we see different kind of fish swimming near the live corals. These represent the provision of fish habitat, which means reef provide a home and breeding ground for fish. These fish serve as food and also as a source of income for community through fishing. Here, we can see waves hitting the reef. The coral acts as barrier that buffers storms. This is called regulating service because coral reefs protect coastlines from strong waves, storms, and erosion, keeping the village safe. On the right side, we see scuba diver. This represents tourism and recreation, which is another service coral reefs provide. Activities like snorkeling and scuba diving attracts visitors, bringing money and job to local communities.
Good day everyone, my name is Rodmark P. Alboroto. So let's continue of discussions. At the bottom, we see the reef's framework with coral growing and supporting marine life. This is a supporting service wherein the reef provides habitats with countless species of fish, plants, and other marine organisms. This service maintains biodiversity which is essential for a healthy ocean. So the conclusions. So in this single picture, we can clearly see the four main service of coral reefs. First, provisioning, foods and fisheries. Second, regulating storm and protections. Third, culture, tourism and supporting habitat for biodiversity. All of these benefits show why coral reefs are so important for both humans and marine life.